Yo YouTube, welcome back to another video. Now I just want to say thank y'all for letting me reach my subscriber goal, y'all. I really appreciate the support I've been getting and all the comments and likes and stuff. And let's get into this video. So I have to make the whole entire video over because I realized that my phone was tweaking and I'm hoping it's not gonna do it again. But anyways guys, welcome back to another video. This is your boy Eli. I just start saying that. Anyways y'all, welcome back to another video. It's Eli with another video. But in today's video, I'm going to give you 5 reasons why your hair is probably not growing. It might be growing, but you're probably just not seeing it too. Alright, so reason number 1, you are manipulating your hair 24/7, 48, and you need to chill out, man. That could either be you're brushing your hair too much, you're combing your hair too much, you're playing with it, you're touching it with your hands too much, you're giving it like a new hairstyle every single week, you're doing this, you're doing that. That is going to like basically stress your hair out. I don't know what to tell, like your hair follicles is gonna be like, yo, I'm tired of this shit, I'm gonna give out, I'm gonna go bald right now. You feel me? So that could be the case, right? So yeah, y'all need to chill. Let your hair breathe. Let it be free. Understand? Just breathe. You know what I'm saying? Like that song. Just breathe. Just let your hair breathe completely. Reason number 2. You are sleeping with no hair protection whatsoever. So that whether that is a do-rag, bonnet, silk pillowcase, anything silky to protect your hair, silk wrap, shrink wrap, tin foil. This nah, don't use tin foil. No. Anyways, yeah, y'all need to start wearing do-rags or freaking bonnet, or get a satin pillowcase or something. Now if your hair is long like mine and you wear like a bonnet, sometimes your hair can get like crushed up and look like this, and then you wake up like this, like whoa. So you're like, hey, no, I don't really like that, right? So in your case, I would say the best thing for you to get is a satin pillowcase. Get a satin pillowcase and just put that onto your pillow. Imagination, looking at put that onto your pillow and just push your hair back. Boom. And just sleep back on that right there. You know, if you're a person that turns in their bed a lot, then you definitely are going to need a pillowcase. Reason number 3, and this one is really important. I heard something outside. Oh, they're taking out the trash. Reason number 3, alright? You need to drink water. You need to drink a lot of water. Water is life. Cause all that juice, all that soda, all that BS, drink water as much. Just a gallon of water, even a gallon of water. I understand 2 gallons as a matter of fact a day. I'm saying drink as much water. Trust me, it's gonna help you. Reason number 4. Now look y'all, I know I'm going through the video a little fast, but I'm not trying to keep y'all here too long. I'm trying to give y'all the real deal, seal, deal, chill. That is the tool. Anyway, I'm just trying to give y'all what it is as quick as possible so y'all can get the information and be like, yeah, alright, I got it now, boom boom boom. It's not like a whole long paragraph and then y'all forget what I say. You gotta play the video back over and over. So yes, stop washing your hair too often, right? Reason number 4, stop washing your hair too often. Give your hair a break from washing it. What the? Stop washing your hair so often, bro. Your hair has natural oils, right? Or your scalp, I should say, your scalp has natural oils that help stimulate growth, right? And if you keep washing your hair all the time, the shampoo after a while starts to destroy all that natural oil in your scalp and all the ingredients and all the specials and my precious and all that stuff that's going on inside of your scalp, and that is going to either 1, you're gonna get hair loss, or 2, your hair is not going to grow, it's going to grow bad, you're going to have dry scalp, all that kind of, you don't want that, you feel me? You don't want that. Reason number 5, right? And this one is to sum up with everything that I just went over. So it's a whole summary of basically covering everything I just said. You are impatient, right? You have to be patient with yourself, with your hair, and just with everything in life. To be honest, you have to be patient, right? Patience is key. I need to learn that as well in certain aspects of my life, but we're not in that video. I will post some motivational videos if y'all want me to. Comment down below, I can do it. But impatient, y'all too impatient. Just let your hair stay, let it grow. I'm not saying don't manipulate. I'm saying don't manipulate it 24/7. Don't be combing it, don't be washing it, don't be oiling it too much, because if you keep doing too much to your hair, it's like your hair's gonna be like, hey bro, I'm tired now. I don't like this no more. I'ma quit. You feel me? I'ma quit. And then sooner or later, you probably go to bed one night, you wake up, and your hair is like on the other side of the bed. You're like what's going on? You feel me? So yeah, be patient, y'all. Everything is patience. Every aspect in life, you have to have patience. Patience is key. But yes, that will be the end of this video, guys. I hope that you guys liked it. I want to say that I am back. I don't want to say, oh yeah, I'm back and I don't post anything anymore, but for now I can definitely say that yes, I am back. You understand, guys? And I really appreciate the support I've been getting lately. I see all you guys' comments. I try to reply to you guys as much as possible to show that I'm still alive. And I really appreciate the support that you guys have been giving me. No lie, like it actually make me feel good knowing that people are out there that, you know, actually gain knowledge and get help off of my videos, you know. So definitely grateful that you guys are here and sticking around, and I appreciate it. I'm gonna see y'all in the next video. Matter of fact, I live in Atlanta now, right guys? I was wondering, do you guys think I should start doing like vlogging and stuff like around the city or whatever, just like wherever? Like you guys can probably type in the comments, hey, check out here in Atlanta, da 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 da, and I could probably go there, vlog it, whatever, and post it. Y'all let me know in the comments down below. Give me some video suggestions or ideas or anything that y'all want to see me do, and then I can do it. But for now, I'm gonna just give y'all that hair tutorial, because that's what y'all need, and that's what the people need, and that's what the people want to see, and that's why they check on Eli. That's why they always have to come to Eli. But anyways, y'all, with that being said, I am out. Peace.